How early should we start with breath holding, focusing with children? You should start when they were born. You know, when children are small, babies, from the age of newborn till 6 months, they have a very strong mammalian dive response. So children open the eyes, they close the throat, and they don't swallow water. You will know that. My brother just had a beautiful little boy, and we put him in the baby swimming under the water, and he's just opening his eyes and not swallowing the water. Now that reflex goes away after 6 months. I have a little theory that you can keep it going if you engage the children, but you should do breath work with them at a young age. Now, I want breathology to be the framework of breathology and the breathology method to be in all hospitals in the world, to recover faster, to be better prepared for operations, surgery. I want it to be in every school so people don't panic before exams. I want them to have tools they can use to manage their energy and their creativity better. I want it to be in every military facility. I want to help everyone in the world with PTSD, not only veterans, but people struggling with stress. That is the mission that we're all on in the team Breathology, making the world breathe better, one breath at a time. So with children, they have perfect breathing before they get broken into adulthood, all the things that society require, your appearance. But when you're a child and you're beautiful, the breathing is perfect, like in animals. So look at your children, watch your children. You will see the belly breathe. So they're doing diaphragmatic breathing, they're breathing with the nose, it's perfect. But from the age of 6 or 8, when they start to develop a personality, and then at the teenage years, sit down with your kids, teach them these techniques, and make them aware of the power of breathing and the conscious breath, how it can change your life completely to the better. So thank you for that question.